Hello student, today we will do question number 17 from exercise 7.10 NCERT Math Books class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. We have to find a definite integration of this. So let I is equal to this 0 a root x divided by root x plus root a minus x dx. Then by P4 property, P4 property is 0 a fx dx equal to 0 a f a minus x dx. So by using this property we will write I is equal to x will be a minus x divided by this x also will a minus x plus a minus x. This is dx equal to a root under a minus x divided by a minus x plus a minus a plus x dx. This a and a will be cut. So this will be 0 a root a minus x divided by a minus x plus root x. This will be number 2. This is number 1. So adding 1 and 2, we get, it will add, so 2i is equal to 0 a root x by root x plus a minus x dx plus is 0 a root a minus x divided by, this is also root x plus root a minus x dx. We will combine this, then this will be 0a, this is same, so we'll take LCM. LCM will be root x plus root a minus x, and what will be root x plus root a minus x dx. This is same both sides, so this will be cut, so this will be 0a 1 dx. Integration of 1 will be x, so 0 equal to a minus 0 is equal to a, so therefore I is equal to a by 2. Answer. I hope you must have understood these solutions. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.